For this video, I will be identifying the bony anatomy of the upper extremities. So the first one we have is the clavicle, which is the bone that runs on either side, right there. And then we have the acromion, which is at the end of the clavicle, and it's a small bone right above the shoulder. Then we have the spine of the scapula, which, as we identified earlier, is that ridge right there in the scapula. We have the inferior angle of the scapula, which is the angle that is made right beneath the shoulder blade right there. And then we have the humerus, which is of course the upper arm bone. And then we have the olecranian process, which is the elbow. And then we have the lateral epicondyle, which is the bump right next to the elbow right there. Then we have the radial head, which you can find if you put your thumb. Radial head will be roughly right there. Then we have the medial epicondyle, which it's gonna be this bump right here, the medial epicondyle. And then we have the radial styloid process, which is this on the thumb right there. That is the radial styloid process. Then the pisiform is the bone that sticks out below the pinky. And then you have the hook of hamate, which is found if you put your thumb on the pisiform and roll forward, you will find the hook of hamate, which is right there in the center of the palm. And then you have the carpals, which are the bones that are closest to the wrist and the hand. And then you have the metacarpals, which are in the second half of the hand up to the fingers, and then the phalanges are the fingers. And that is the bony anatomy of the upper extremities.